all in practice set 2.2. That first question is that L is the transversal and M and N are parallel line, and they will be given in this first problem that line L is the transversal and M and or for line M and N, y is equal to 108 and x is equal to 71. To find out are the line M and N are parallel or justify, तर आपल्याला इथे जस्टिफाय करायचं की एम आणि एन हे पॅरलल आहेत का नाही. ओके, सो राईट डाऊन दॅट सोल्युशन. In that solution we take that angle x is equal to 71 degree and angle y is equal to 108. Angle x and angle y are interior angle. हे आपल्याला माहीत आहे की जी काय आहेत एक्स आणि वाय हे इंटेरियर अँगल आहेत. मग इंटेरियर अँगल असल्यावर हे जी काय आहेत दे आर सप्लिमेंटरी. ओके, सप्लिमेंटरी मीन्स 180 पाहिजेत. सो टू चेक आउट दॅट अँगल एक्स प्लस अँगल वाय इज इक्वल टू what is that the values 71 degree plus 108 degree means that x degree plus y degree is equal to 179. Means here we can say that the sum of x plus y is not equal to 180, so that the line L and so that the line that's L transversal and N are not parallel. म्हणजे L M and N are not parallel from that interior angle test. तर इथं आपण लिहू शकतो here the sum of x plus y is not equal to 180 degree, कारण इथं 179 आलेलं आहे. सो दॅट द लाईन M and N are not parallel from interior angle test. This is the second question that they will ask that N is the transversal and line L and M are parallel lines. Angle A and B, that these are that alternate angle or exterior alternate angles are there. So they will be asked that if A congruent to B, then prove that line L parallel to M. म्हणजे आपण जी काय आहे तर इंटेरियर अँगल टेस्ट किंवा अल्टरनेट अँगल टेस्ट म्हणून आपण सांगू शकतो. सो सी फर्स्ट दॅट गिवन काय काय दिलेलं आहे ते लिहिलेलं आहे. आपण प्रूव्ह आपल्याला काय करायचं आहे लाईन L पॅरलल टू लाईन M हे आपल्याला प्रूव्ह करायचं आहे. ठीक आहे. सो प्रूफ आता इथं आपण प्रूफ लिहू. हेअर N is transversal. N is transversal of line L and M. L आणि M ह्या समांतर रेषेसाठी N ही काय छेदिका आहे. तर आपण लिहू शकतो अँगल A and angle B. Angle A and angle B are exterior alternate angle. Exterior alternate angle आणि exterior alternate angle जे काय आहेत ते congruent आहेत. Means angle A is equal to angle B from alternate angle test. From alternate angle test, line L parallel to line M. In this way we solve. Yes, this is a third question. In that third question will be asked that angle A is congruent to angle B and angle X congruent to angle Y. Then prove that line L parallel to N. Okay, so first we write down that given whatever they will given proof and proof. To prove and proof what we want to prove. Here write down line K is transversal So this is a line K, that is a transversal for line LMN. L, M and N. Angle A congruent to angle B. Here A and B are corresponding angle. Okay, therefore angle A is equal to angle B. That is from corresponding angle test. Corresponding angle test. We can say that angle A is equal to angle B. So therefore line L parallel to line M. Equation number 1. This line L parallel to line M, that is, we can give that equation number 1. Now write that angle X is congruent to angle Y. This is given, that angle X congruent to angle Y. Then angle X is equal to angle Y. These two angles, that alternate angle. Here write down, here X and Y are the alternate angle. X and Y. See, these are that X and Y, these are alternate angle from alternate angle test. So therefore we write down, from alternate angle test, line M parallel to line N. Equation number 2. From 1 and 2, from equation 1 and 2, we can say that line L parallel to line N, hence proved. So there two things they will be given in this problem, that A congruent to B and X congruent to Y. So from these two, these corresponding test and alternative test, we can say that line L parallel to line M and line L parallel to line N. Yes, this is a fourth one, that problem will be given that in the figure ray BA parallel to ray DE. BA आणि A parallel आहे DE ला. Angle C is a 50 degree and angle D is a 100 degree. To prove, find the measure of angle ABC. We want to find that measure angle ABC. This angle we want to find. So construction will be done here. Draw line PQ to parallel to line DE. Here DE ला एक PQ हे line आपण. Here DC is, see this DC is a transversal. DC is a transversal of DE. DC is a transversal of DE, line DE and line PQ. EC, this EDC, this angle. Okay, that angle EDC and DCP and angle DCP, this DCP, this angle, these are that alternate angle, are alternate angle, but DE parallel to PQ, but DE, this DE parallel to PQ, okay. Now after that, therefore angle EDC is congruent to angle DCP, because write down here DC is a transversal for DC is transversal for DE and line PQ. DE आणि line PQ साठी DC काय आहे, transversal आहे. This DC is a transversal. Okay. Now angle EDC is equal to angle DCP is equal to 100 degrees. See, EDC this angle 100, then DCP this angle alternate angle. Okay, so angle DCP is equal to 100 DCB plus angle BCP is equal to 100. See, put the values of DCB. This DCB angle, that is a 50, plus angle BCP is equal to 100, means angle BCP is equal to 100 minus 50, means what remain, that 50 degree, means angle BCP is equal to 50 degree, which is BCP is here. BCP, this angle, this is a 50 degree. This angle again a 50 degree angle, this BCP. Okay. Now after that, PQ parallel to DE parallel to AB. Again we can say that PQ parallel to DE, PQ parallel to DE parallel to AB. Okay. Now here again we can write that PQ is parallel to AB. Angle ABC plus, now angle ABC plus BCP is 50 degree is equal to 100. Now angle ABC is equal to 180. Then angle ABC is equal to 180 minus 50 degree, means angle ABC that we want to find out, that 130 degree. In this way we solve. So see, different criterias were we used in this problem. That first we find out this BCP. Already we know that DCP is 100, then BCP is 50, then ABC we want find out that 130 degree. Okay, see here in the fifth problem, that they will be given in the figure that AE parallel to BD, this AE is ray AE parallel to ray BD, and AF is the bisector. See, this is a angle bisector, and again BC is again angle bisector of ABD. Okay, to prove what we want to prove, that line AF, this line AF is parallel to line BC, that we want to prove. This ray, or that is a line, this line AF line and BC line are parallel. So in proof, write down in proof, it is given that what they will be given here, ray AE parallel to ray BD So from that, angle EAB is equal to angle ABD, from which given that reason, alternate angle AB is a transversal. Write down here, AB is transversal. Ray AE parallel to ray BD, ray AE parallel to ray BD. Now suppose they will be given that ray EAB, in EAB, see EAB that XX and ABD that YY. So put here EAB, for EAB write down x plus x is equal to y plus y, means that is a 2x is equal to 2y, means 2 get cancelled, x is equal to y. From alternate angle test, that we write from alternate angle test. So we write down that ray AF parallel to ray BC, that we write from that alternate angle test. So this is a very simple example that here this is the last question in the practice set 2.2, that a transversal EF, this is a transversal ES, and AB and CD are two parallel lines intersect at point PQ, then respectively ray PR and QS. These are the parallel lines with bisectors, and angle BPQ, this is a BPQ, this angle, and PQC, this angle, these alternate angles are formed that respectively to prove what we want to prove here. line AB parallel to CD. तर आपल्याला काय करायचं आहे, दोन रेषा ज्या आहेत समांतर आहेत हे आपल्याला दाखवायचे आहेत. सो लेट्स वी प्रूव्ह दॅट. राईट डाऊन प्रूफ. that proof, angle BPR, see here, angle BPR, this angle BPR is equal to angle RPQ, this angle RPQ, this angle, okay, is equal to, we suppose that x degree, we suppose, see this angle, okay, this x, okay, and this y, and this also y. Suppose, okay, angle PQS is equal to angle SQC. See, PQS and SQC, these two. See, PQS and SQC, these two angles. We suppose that y degree. Suppose ray PR parallel to ray QS, PR and QS. Therefore, angle RPQ is equal to angle PQS, that is alternate angles. We know alternate angles, RPQ and PQS. Here, where is RPQ? This angle and these two angles are, and PQS, these two angles are alternate angles. So that's why we write here reason. Okay, now write x is equal to y, means x means that 2x here, again 2x is equal to 2y, 2 get cancelled. Again we can write that angle BPQ is equal to angle PQC. Here write down the reason. Here EF is a transversal of line AB and CD. EF काय आहे? ट्रान्सव्हर्सल आहे. कोणत्या लाईनसाठी? AB आणि CD. पहा इथं EF. Where is EF? This EF is a transversal of line AB and CD. They will be clearly that given. Okay, so from that, here line AB is parallel to line CD from alternate angle test. From alternate angle टेस्ट. तर अशा प्रकारे हे आपण सॉल्व केलेलं आहे. अल्टरनेट अँगलवरून आपण तिथं काय सांगू शकतो की दॅट लाईन AB आर पॅरलल टू लाईन CD.